Alright guys, RETROCENGO here, welcome back to my channel. I'm still working with this AKAI amplifier, and I'm getting so much help from you guys on YouTube, and I'm so thankful. I want to thank everyone, each and one of you. It's such a great way to try to attempt to repair this stuff. Well, I've got some questions, and instead of just writing it to you guys, I will make a short video and showing, because this thing would get the schematics and check everything out. I don't know how to read the schematics. I'm not that good at all that. If I was, then I wouldn't make these videos, guys. That I could just repair this and that was it. So as I can see, this is a pretty simple amplifier. But still, I have this trouble with it. Last night, as you can see on part 2, I could actually play the music from the headphone jack. That worked. And then I connected the right channel, and I had music from there turned off. Left channel also, and it still worked, and it played for a couple of minutes, and then all of a sudden, no movement, no nothing, all of a sudden it just blew this fuse. Bam, dead. So there is something wrong with it. I don't know what. I found out that I'm not going to use the phono from my Amiga to this one, so now it's connected to the AUX. So no speakers are on, nothing is connected, and when I turn, I have this one connected. It turns on, no problem there. Well, one guy wrote to me that actually he wanted me to check the continuity from, because when I turn this one on, can you see this voltmeter? Yes, you can. When I turned this on, I found out that this fuse, can you see it right? Yeah, 32 volts. This fuse, it measures 32 volts, but this one, no fuse. This one says minus 32. So one of the questions was if I could measure from the negative leg from the bridge rectifier to the fuse holder. So let's do that. But before we do that, I have a question also, because as you can see, we got 32 volts here and minus 32 here. When I turn the machine off, then this voltage goes down pretty fast. But this one over here does not go down. So can that mean that a capacitor holds the voltage? I don't know if this one is dead. I don't know if this one goes there and this one goes here or something else. But I just want to show you when I turn it off. As you can see, this voltage just rapidly goes down to 20 volts and so on and so on. But this one over here, it's still 32 volts. And if I try to put in a fuse right now, it sparkles and all that. So I have to wait till tomorrow or something like that, because it just, as you can see, it just keeps on. Now the machine is turned off. You can see the plus is rapidly going down. The capacitor empties the power, but this one still on minus 32 volts. So yeah, it's turned off. Let's try to measure there we go. So where is the okay, this one is the negative. This one also. Okay, we got connection there. And this one must be positive. There, there we go. I have to be careful. We also have continuity here. So positive to positive, it's all right. And negative to negative, it's all right. As you can see, from positive leg to negative leg, I have nothing. Let's try the other one here. Let's take the negative leg. What's that? Okay. From negative, I get a reading. Should I do that? How about the volts? Can this mean that the this bridge rectifier is blown? That it gives the signal out? Yeah, maybe. Maybe if you guys know how to measure one of these, that would be great, guys. So that was the first thing. There is your answer. And the other thing is, oh, this is odd, man. Oh, come on, where's the leg? There we go. Negative to negative. Negative to plus, it gives a reading. Let's try the same thing over here. Now we have positive leg, and we have continuity, and here from... Oh no! Well, from... Oh, damn. I think this bridge is dead. From positive, it gives signal to the negative. That should not be possible, should it? There we go. Damn. So maybe the diodes in here are burned and they give the signal the wrong way. But I'm not sure about it. So if you know how this one should work, please write it down in the comments below. So that was the first question measure there. And the second was just check if there's... Yeah, this one has not. Do we still have voltage here? 2 seconds, guys. I will try to put in a fuse. Well, it's drawn empty. I don't know if it's because I measured it. That's nice. So that means that I can put in a fuse and try. Now I got this 2 amp fuse here. I just want to show you how fast it blows, because it will blow. I know it. And the way I'm inserting it actually was like this, because it had -32 and it made some sparkles, but now it does not. So let's just put it in, but as soon as I give this one power, this one will pop. So let's just check it out. Yeah, it should pop. Why doesn't it die? Well, that's odd, guys. Okay, let me just put in, connect a speaker here and see what's going on, because it usually just pops. Let's see how much. What? How is this possible? What? I didn't do nothing. Okay, when I turn it off, what happens? Well, that's weird. So we have a maybe this happens because I have a fuse that's working now. It loads off the, what's it called? No, I don't know. Okay, before I connect some more stuff, let's just try, because it will pop. It's turned off, yes. AUX, let's try to give it some power. We still have a nice fuse here. All right. Well, here's the boom test. These speakers, they are working on my Sansui, so we have no problem with the speakers at all. So the black is downwards here, so I'll just put it in there. The power is off, and the red is at the top. Still the power is off. So let's give it some power and look at this fuse, guys. It still didn't blow. What the hell? What? Well, this is odd, guys. This is really odd. Okay, I'm gonna turn my Amiga on and I'm gonna, let me see, we're on AUX, and we have chosen the AUX channel. I'm gonna turn my Amiga on, turn on the screen here and see what's gonna happen, because it should blow. What? It works? Oh man, that's odd. What did I do? I'm thinking about what I did. I didn't do nothing. I just measured. This is the worst thing. I mean, if it acted the same way every time, that would be great, but you know, Okay, let's put in the oh, maybe it's because it's the only one set of speakers. Oh, let's choose left channel and right channel is not on. All right. Okay. So I will put in the, there we go. I will put in the left speakers now and hope for the best, but I think it will see a pop now. Okay, the power's off. Black down at the bottom here. Come on. Okay. And the red at the top. All right. So I think this time this is gonna blow. So let's just turn it on, guys. Yeah, did you see that? Damn, everything just... It seems like this one also blew this time. So when I'm, oh shit, when I'm running one channel, it works. Now I got two dead fuses. So something happens. When I just connect one channel, it works. But both channels, it just fries. See now? The power is off and it still has, yeah, this one empties the plus, but the negative. So when I connect both speakers, something happens and the power goes back in some way and just also fries this one now. So I think they're both dead. I saw them getting all red inside. What? Damn, that's because it still has some power inside. Okay, let's the power's off. I'm not gonna hit the both sides. There we go. This one should be dead. It went red. Yeah, it's dead. Damn. Dead fuse. It's blown. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I can listen to it. One channel. That's not the way to go. So I need some stereo sounds. I hope this helps just a tad. Yeah. I'm surprised how far I came this time. I had I had some music now on video part 2. I had some music from the phones here, and now I had music out of the right speakers. That's nice. So I hope part 4 we have perfect playing machine. But I hope some of you guys know why it acts like this. I'm thinking about this one, the bridge rectifier, or these two really big capacitors, or in here, as you can see, it says wait. There we go. It says STK 461 stereo amplifier. Maybe this one is blown and making some trouble. I'm not sure, but that's why I'm making these videos, because one of you guys must know what's going on. This can't be the first time. I wish I had some new parts that I would just replace all of this, but all of the yeah, bridge and these two and this, but yeah, don't even know if it's even possible to get one of these today. Don't know. It has got mini legs soldered down to the PVC board, so that's nice. All right, so this time I ruined both fuses. Normally it's only this one that burns. So yeah, all right, guys, that's part 3. I'm gonna keep updating you guys until we found out what's wrong with this lovely amplifier. One of you guys wrote, man, you paid only 200 Danish crowns for it. It's not worth repairing. It's not worth using your time on it. Just throw it out and buy something else. Well, I understand what you mean by it. I know it was cheap, and it's maybe not the most beautiful amplifier, but for me it's about the journey. It would be great to make it work again. I'm probably not gonna keep it and use it, but that's not why I want to repair it. I want to make these videos. I want to find out on these simple layouts, because I've watched other YouTube videos where you have the amplifier and receiver built in, and they're just much more complicated inside. So if I get a little bit more knowledge this way, then I can work my way up, guys, because you know, we're learning every day. So yeah, but it still has got the VU meters, guys. That's nice. I love that. Oh, we had some sound and it sounded so great. All right, guys, until next time, let's keep in touch. Bye. Yeah, I found out, I just replaced the fuses. I found out right side speaker out, it just works. It doesn't blow the fuse, no nothing. When I pull it off and put it on the left channel, as soon as I turn it on, it will blow the top fuse there that says minus 31, 32 volts. So it's only the left side, it blows that fuse over there. Yeah. But as you can see on the front here, it works fine. Nice. Channel separation, I mean, everything bass and all that, it works. Nice. Yeah, but I'm pretty stuck, guys, so I hope you know what to do next. Yeah.